The first Pep Assembly of the school year took place on September 9th. Scream Team leaders Maddie Marcourt and Elizabeth Jacoboyce began the assembly by introducing the drum line. After the drum line, the cheerleaders and dance team gave us a sneak peek of their new routine. Grades go head-to-head for the Pep Assembly games. Games consisted of shooting a basketball into a hoop, getting Skittles from one bowl to another while only using a straw, and finally trying to get an Oreo into their mouth without using their hands. Seniors Abby McCliney and Allie Oderman ended up winning the games.